Do you ever wonder why those pesky pimples make a grand appearance every summer? This problem torments many. The climbing temperature enhances sweat production, increasing the likelihood of blocked pores and resulting in acne outbreaks. But guess what? The solution to this problem might already be sitting in your kitchen. First up, we have aloe vera, a natural wonder with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Combine a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, a tablespoon of honey, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix these ingredients and apply the paste to your skin regularly. This concoction works wonders, soothing the skin and fighting acne. Next, we focus on turmeric, a spice revered for its anti-inflammatory properties and robust antioxidant content. Grab a pinch of organic turmeric powder, stir it into a tablespoon of honey. Infuse a few drops of castor oil, chill the blend in the fridge, and then smother it on your face. This not only combats acne, but also diminishes blemishes and dark spots, imparting a rejuvenating glow to your face. Thirdly, we have apple cider vinegar, known as the magic pencil for skin issues. It contains organic acids that kill acne-causing bacteria. But remember, always do a patch test first and dilute it with water before applying it topically. The fourth remedy is neem, a traditional skin healing ingredient. It's packed with vitamin E, calcium, antioxidants, and antibacterial qualities. Simmer a handful of neem leaves in water, leave it overnight, make a paste of the leaves, and apply it to the affected areas. This remedy is excellent for preventing breakouts during the summer. Last but not least, we have tea tree oil, a potent antibacterial agent for acne-prone skin. Make a paste with tea tree essential oil, rosemary essential oil, rose water, and aloe vera. Apply it to your skin for 10 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. In summary, summer doesn't have to mean a season of breakouts. With these 5 home remedies, aloe vera, turmeric, apple cider vinegar, neem, and tea tree oil, you can tackle pimples head-on. Each of these remedies offers a unique blend of antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and soothing properties that not only help combat acne, but also improve overall skin health. So, this summer, let your skin breathe easy and shine bright, free from the worry of pimples.